Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is achieve. 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 Achieve is a verb that means to successfully reach a goal, complete a task, or realize an objective. It implies the act of obtaining a desired result through effort and determination. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor. Why achieve is used in example number 1. Achieve is used to indicate the successful realization of a personal aspiration. Example number 2, with wise investments, he managed to achieve financial stability. Why achieve is used in example number 2. Achieve describes the accomplishment of financial goals. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.